Good morning, everyone. This is B. Ramarao from Government Polytechnic College, Station Ganpur. Today, our topic air pollution and causes. This topic belongs to first year diploma student in second semester, common subject, engineering chemistry, subject code C204. Air pollution and causes. In this topic, we discuss what is air pollution, what are the causes of air pollution. On the completion of this period, you would be able to know about what is air pollution, what are the causes of air pollution, what are the effects of air pollution are discussed in this hour. What is air pollution? The presence of unwanted substance present in air and adversely affect human beings, plants, animals and other materials is called air pollution. What is air pollution? Air pollution is the introduction of chemicals, particulate matters and biological materials that causes harm or discomfort to humans or other living organisms or causes damage to the natural environment or built environment into the atmosphere. The presence of unwanted substance present in the air and adversely affect human beings, plants, animals, and other materials is called air pollution. Air pollution is the introduction of chemicals, particulate matters, and biological materials that causes harm or discomfort to humans or other living organisms or causes damage to the natural environment or built environment into the atmosphere. The presence of unwanted substance present in air and adversely affect human beings, plants, animals, and other materials is called air pollution. Air pollution is the introduction of chemicals, particulate matters, and biological materials that causes harm or discomfort to humans or other living organisms or causes damage to the natural environment or built environment into the atmosphere. is called air pollution. Air pollution may be defined as the presence one or more contaminants or combinations thereof in air in such quantity and of such duration as may be or tend to be injurious to human, animal, or plant life or property, or which unreasonably interferes with the comfortable enjoyment of life or property or conduct of business. Air pollution may be defined as the presence one or more contaminant or combination thereof in air in such quantity and of such duration as may be or tend to be injurious to human, animal, or plant life or property, or which unreasonably interferes with the comfortable enjoyment of life or property or conduct of business is called air pollution. Normal component of our atmosphere. Nitrogen present 78.1 percentage, 78.1. In air, oxygen present 20.9 percentage, nearly 21 percentage. Carbon dioxide 0.03%. Everything else 0.07 percentage. Noble gases like krypton, xenon, argon, helium, methane, sulfur dioxide. These gases present 0.07 percentage. Normal component of our atmosphere: nitrogen 78.1 percentage, oxygen 20.9 percentage, carbon dioxide 0.03 percentage. Other gases like rare gases, noble gases like krypton, xenon, argon, helium, methane, and sulfur dioxide. These are composition of air. Nitrogen 78.1 percentage, oxygen 20.9 percentage, carbon dioxide 0.03 percentage, remaining gases 0.07 percentage. Those are inert gases: krypton, xenon, argon, helium, methane, dioxide, sulfur dioxide. What is air pollution? Air pollution consists of gases, liquids, or solids present in atmosphere in high enough levels to harm humans, other organisms, or materials. Air pollution consists of gases, liquids, or solids present in air or atmosphere in high enough levels to harm humans, other materials, other organisms is called air pollution. The presence of unwanted gases, liquids, or solids in the air. It is affect living and non-living things is called air pollution. Types of air pollution. Types of air pollutants. These are several types of air pollutions, mainly indoor air pollution and outdoor air pollution. These include smog, acid rain, the greenhouse effect, and hole in the ozone layer. One type of air pollution is the releases the particles into the air. Another type of air pollutant releases of poisonous gases into the air. Types of air pollutants. These are several types of air pollution, mainly indoor air pollution and outdoor air pollution. These include smoke, smog, acid rain, the greenhouse effect, and hole in the ozone layer. One type of air pollution is the releases of particles into the air. Another type of pollution is the releases of poisonous gases. Types of air pollutants. These are two types. First one is primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. Based on occurrent pollutants are divided into two types, primary pollutant and secondary pollutant. What is primary pollutant? Pollutants released into environment from a identifiable sources and exist as such for long time are called primary pollutants, like CO, CO2, SO2, SO3, NO2, NO3, so on. Pollutants releases into environment from identifiable sources and exist such a long time are called primary pollutant, like CO, carbon monoxide, CO2, carbon dioxide, SO2, sulfur dioxide, SO3, sulfur trioxide, NO2, nitrogen dioxide, N2O3, nitrogen trioxide, so on. Secondary pollutant. Pollutant formed by the reaction between primary pollutants in presence of sunlight is called secondary pollutants. Pollutants formed by the reaction between primary pollutants in the presence of sunlight is called secondary pollutants. Like example, PAN, peroxyethyl nitrate, acid rain, photochemical smog. These all are secondary pollutants. Pollutants are several types, mainly indoor pollutant and outdoor pollutant. These include smog, acid rain, greenhouse effect, and hole in the ozone. One type of air pollution is the releases of particles into the air. Another type of pollution is the releases of poisonous gases. The main sources of air pollution are automobiles. Automobiles. Motor vehicles are a major source of air pollution throughout the urban areas. They emit hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, lead, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matters. In strong sunlight, certain of these hydrocarbons and oxides of nitrogen may be converted in the atmosphere into photochemical smog, pollutant of oxidizing nature. The main source of air pollution are automobiles or transportation services. Nearly 75% of air pollution is caused by emission of vehicles. This emission contains carbon monoxide, lead, nitrogen oxides, hydrocarbons. So these gases directly enter into air, it causes air pollution. Motor vehicles are a major source of air pollution throughout the urban areas. They emit hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, lead, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matters. In strong sunlight, certain of these hydrocarbons and oxides of nitrogen may be converted in the atmosphere into photochemical pollutants of oxidizing nature. The main source of air pollution, in addition, diesel engines, when misused, are bloody adjusted, are capable of emitting black smoke and melodious fumes. Industry, it releases liquid soap factory, liquid soaps from factories, sulfuric acid factories, plastic industries, acid manufacturing unit, phosphate fertilized industries, inorganic chemical plant, metal industry, aluminum plant. Rapid establishment of industries decreases natural sources and also causes air pollution by releasing large number of pollutants. Large number of pollutants. In industries, it releases liquid soap factory, sulfuric acid factory, plastic industry, acid manufacturing unit, phosphate fertilizer industries, inorganic chemical plant, metal industry, aluminum plants. These releases into air, it causes air pollution. Liquid soap factory, sulfuric acid factory, plastic industry, acid manufacturing unit, phosphate fertilizer industry, inorganic chemical plant, metal industry, aluminum plant. Industrial sources. Soap factory, sulfuric acid factory, plastic factory, acid manufacturing unit, phosphate fertilizer industry, inorganic chemical plant, metal industry, aluminum plants. These industries releases directly metals and acids into the air. It causes air pollution. The main source of air pollutions are industries. Combustion of fuel to generate heat and power produces smoke, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and fly ash. Petrochemical industries generate hydrogen fluoride, hydrochloride, hydrochloric acids, and organic halides. The main source of air pollution, like transportation services and industries. In industries, industries, it decreases natural sources and also causes air pollution. It releases large number of pollutants into the air. Combustion of fuels to generate heat and power produces smoke, sulfur dioxides, nitrogen oxides, and fly ash. Petrochemical industries generate hydrogen fluorides, hydrochloric acids, and organic halides. The main source of air pollution are many industries discharge carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, ozone, hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen sulfide, and sulfur dioxide. Industries discharge their waste from high chimney at high temperature and high speed. The mainly causes of air pollution, these are two types of causes. First one is natural causes, second one is man-made causes. Air pollution main causes are two types. First one is natural causes, second one is man-made causes. Natural causes. Forest fires release large amount of smoke, CO, CO2, SO2, etc. into the air. Natural causes. Forest fires releases large amount of smoke, CO, CO2, SO2, etc. into the air. CO, carbon monoxide, CO2, carbon dioxide, SO2, sulfur dioxide. When forest fire directly enter into these gases into the air. Second natural causes, volcanic eruptions releases gases like H2S, SO2, CO, etc. The volcanic releases H2S, hydrogen sulfide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide. The pollen from the plants, bacteria and virus. These all are natural causes of air pollution. Next one, man-made causes air pollution. First one is transportation services or automobiles. Nearly 75% of air pollution is caused by emission from vehicles. This emission contains CO, lead, nitrogen oxides, hydrocarbons, etc. Man-made causes. First one is transportation services. Nearly 75% of air pollution is caused by emission from vehicles. These emissions contains CO, carbon monoxide, lead, nitrogen oxides, hydrocarbons, etc. Second one, industrialization. Rapid establishment of industries decreases natural sources and also causes air pollution by releasing large number of pollutants. Rapid establishment of industries decreases natural sources and also causes air pollution. Third one, deforestation. Deforestation. What is deforestation? Removal of trees or cutting of trees increases air pollution. By increasing CO2 in atmosphere is called deforestation. Deforestation is the large scale of removal of forest. Deforestation is caused by shifting cultivation. It is also called Podu cultivation. Landless tribals clear trees in forest for cultivation of crops. It is the principal causes of deforestation in the tropics. Deforestation occurs due to overgrazing and conversion of forest to pasture for domestic animals, local cattle like goats, sheep, etc. Fuel woods gather is another important deforestation. Removal of trees for providing wood for industries. Deforestation also occurs due to mining, quarrying, clear of forests for road construction through forest, industrials, and irrigation projects. Expansion of agricultural that growth, palm, rubber, fruit trees also causes deforestation. Construction of dams and hydroelectrical projects. These all are causes of deforestation. Agricultural pesticides. Uses of pesticides, fertilizers, and insecticides in agriculture also increases air pollution. Population growth. Rapid growing of population increases the pollution by increasing industrialization, transportation services. Burning of fuels. Fossil fuels contains carbon, sulfur, and nitrogen. On burning of these fuels releases oxides of carbon, sulfur, and nitrogen and causes air pollution. These all are two types of causes. The main source of air pollution are domestic sources. Domestic combustion of coal or oil is a major source of smoke, dust, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen oxides. Tobacco smokes. The most direct and important source of air pollution affecting the health of many people. Even those who do not smoke may inhale the smoke produced by others. Passive smoking. Domestic sources. Domestic combustion of coal, wood, or oil is a major source of smoke, dust, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen oxides. Tobacco smokes, the most direct and important source of air pollution affecting the health of many people. Even those who do not smoke may inhale the smoke produced by others. The major pollutants: carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, particulate matters, ground level ozone. The major pollutants are carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, particulate matters, ground level ozone. These all are major pollutants present in air. Carbon monoxide. These releases from automobiles. When automobiles used like petrols or diesels, when combustion, it releases carbon monoxide directly into air. Sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxides, these enter into air by industries. Particulate matters are releases from industries, ground level ozone. The ozone level present in air, it is also causes pollution. Now some questions about this topic. First one is, which of the following agent is responsible for turning the Taj Mahal yellow? Which of the following agent is responsible for turning the Taj Mahal yellow? A. Sulfur. B. Chlorine. C. Sulfur dioxide. D. Nitrogen dioxide. Which of the following agent is responsible for turning the Taj Mahal yellow? Taj Mahal present in white marble. Then this marble interact with some gases. It turns to yellowish because of these gas directly interact with marbles. Which gas impacts marbles? Options: A. Sulfur, B. Chlorine, C. Sulfur dioxide, D. Nitrogen dioxide. Now answer C. Sulfur dioxide. The sulfur dioxide interact with marbles is called leprosy of marbles. The sulfur dioxide interact with water vapors to form sulfurous acid or sulfuric acid. These acids directly interact with marbles, then change of colors. The major photochemical smoke is hydrogen peroxide, chlorofluorocarbons, peroxyacetyl nitrate, all the above. The major photochemical smog is options: hydrogen peroxide, chlorofluorocarbons, peroxyacetyl nitrate, D, all the above. The major photochemical smog is hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, B, chlorofluorocarbon, CFCs, peroxyacetyl nitrate, PAN, D, all the above. Now answer B, CFCs present in air, it form smog. The CFCs releases from refrigerators and air conditions. What is the total percentage of nitrogen gas in the air? What is the total percentage of nitrogen gas in the air? A, 12%, B, 21%, C, 78%, D, 87%. In air present nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and other gases like rare gases, methane, sulfur oxides. What is the total percentage of nitrogen gas in the air? A, 12%, B, 21%, C, 78%, D, 87%. So now answer C, 78%. Frequently asked questions about this topic. What is air pollution? What is air pollution? What are the air pollutants? What are the causes of air pollution? Explain about causes of air pollution. Frequently asked about these topic questions. First one is, what is air pollution? Second one, what are the air pollutants? Third one, what are the causes of air pollution? Fourth one, explain about causes of air pollution. Thank you once again.